Okay guys, so I never showed what came in the box. So it has a letter right here, and it is from Helena, the founder of Luvme Hair, and it says, "Enjoy your hair journey from now on." Then it has this little cute, kind of like a pencil pouch. Really, it has a pencil pouch, and it comes with some goodies on the inside. So it has a rat tail comb, some bobby pins, and elastic band, and oh, this cute little Luvme clip. Wait, yeah, this cute little Luvme clip. And then the bag just says Luvme Hair affordable luxury wig, like that. Also comes with wig caps and an edge scarf, and also the pamphlet to show, well, to tell you how to take care of your wig and about the refunds, all in the pamphlet. Okay, so now that's out the way. First things first, y'all, I had a hard time with this wig. Like, for one, it's really small on my head, and I have a kind of a pretty small head, if I say so myself. But it was really small. It does not fit ear to ear on me at all. All I did was, I didn't bleach the knots. I just washed, shampoo and conditioned the hair, and I put some of my concealer on it, and I used, sorry, I got hair everywhere. I used the Fenty Beauty in the shade 390, and I put that all on the hairline and down my parts. And then I tweeze, as you seen earlier, I tweeze a little bit, but the hairline is really small. Like, it's mostly a lace part. It has a little, maybe like an inch, if that. But yeah, other than it being small, the hair is really, really, really soft, extremely soft, and it took curls really, really, really well. Oh, let me give you the specs, because I'm not sure if I said it already, but I will list it down below. But real quick, so I'm so unprepared. Okay, so the wig I have, okay, so this is what it looks like on the website. I really don't know if you can see that, but it says the Balayage Sparkling Amber Color Glueless T-Part Simple Lace Wig. Right now it's 60% off. So the length I have is 20 inches, and it says it's 100% virgin hair from one donor. It lasts for more than 1 year. The density is 180. The color is 1B, 4, and 18. I don't think I've ever had an 18. Okay, anyway, hairline says it's pre-plucked for a more natural look. It can be dyed. It has adjustable straps, elastic band. Yes, can be glueless. The lace is Swiss lace medium brown, and the lace area is T-part 2 inches. Okay, so I said an inch. It's 2 inches from ear to ear, and then the lace part. And right now, the price that I have, well, the length that I have, the price come out to $259.90. It's currently on sale for 60% off, and the original price is $649.75. The texture is loose wave, if I didn't say that already. Right now the 20 inches is sold out. As you can see, wait, right there, I think you can see that it says it's sold out. But yeah, other than the lace being small, as far as the wig being small, other than that, I really like the hair a lot. So I just want to thank Luvme Hair for sending me this hair. So I'm going to have a coupon code down below, and if you are interested in this wig, make sure you use it to get some coins off of your purchase, because it is a little pricey. But yeah, I will come back in about 2 to 3 weeks and give an update on this hair. But yeah, that's all I have. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.